Hello and welcome. Today is Freebie Friday for May 14th. Welcome, welcome. I am excited about this week's freebie. It's using tickets from my new ticket kit, and we have a big tag, and then this is a pocket. Of course, you can use them together or separately, and then we also have some labels and some butterflies. All right, so I've cut out the pieces. One of my butterflies has flown away. It's somewhere on my desk, but I don't know where. I have cut out the pieces. I fussy cut the butterflies. They're ready to go. And I have a little shipping, mailing, whatever these tags are called, from my stash. I don't think I'm going to keep this string on there. And let's first put this guy together. The ticket kit is pretty sure still 50% off if you want to grab it. There's a ton of tickets in the kit. Let me just show you. I think I've used like maybe 6 of them, and look at, there's still tons of tickets. Plus the, I don't know where my little tin is, plus the itty bitties. That's all the itty bitties. So there's a ton in this kit. Plus the 3, words are hard, plus the 3 collage sheets. And that's what this is basically used from. Used with? Yeah. Words are hard, I tell you. So I'm just gonna ink this up. And then we're gonna glue this on. And hope my glue cooperates. Oh, look it, it's gonna cooperate. There we go. So I made a yellow collage page, a red collage page, and what was the other one? A blue one. And that's because of these guys. Nope, not that one. This one. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. And I saw it. And this one, these are my favorite. I thought they were so cool. So I based the collage sheets around those guys. I thought they were so fun. Am I shedding on my project? I think so. All right, so there's your basic pocket. And then this can go in a journal. You could do something to the back. You could make a paper clip. You could print it twice and have it go over the page. Lots of fun options. And then I have this one. And I'm just gonna ink up. I feel like I could sneeze. I'm gonna try not to. All right. And I think I want to use this background stamp from 49 in Market. I think I've used it once, have I? No, maybe I think I've used it once. But let's go ahead and use it again. I love 49 and Market stuff. And then I'm gonna use this. Oh my gosh. And then we'll put this. It's sticking to everything. Maybe I need a block. My big stamping block. I'm gonna ink it up with some archival. I swear I used this, but maybe not. All right, I think that looks good. That's right. I think because this is kind of raised, but I'm going to cover it up so it'll be all right. Yeah. And then I have my butterflies, and I was thinking, do I put them on this side? Of cutting them in half, maybe just two. Get my scissors. And then using 1/2 like that. And like that. I also think making specimen cards with this would be kind of fun. It has that kind of feel I feel. That feel I feel. The specimen card feel. Okay. And then this one. So I've made kind of a big decision. I think I'm ready to create a design team. I've been very hesitant for quite a while, just because I felt like, oh, I didn't have enough kits ready for people to use and all that stuff. But now I feel like I've been growing my kits enough that I do think I'm ready to have a design team. So I'm going to make a video about that. So if you're interested, be on the lookout for that. I'll have different requirements, you know, and I think I'll start with a 3-month commitment. Really, I mean, I totally understand if life happens and you're like, oh, Cara, I thought I could do this, but you know, life is happening. I totally get it. No stress. Who knows? Maybe I won't even do a commitment. I kind of have to think about the details of it all, but I am pretty sure that that's what I want to do. So I'm very excited. I'm going to staple that. Why am I struggling? Oh my goodness. And Julie and I are getting ready for our summer collab. We're going to do 7 days of summer, so that's coming up. Pretty exciting. So yeah, some fun stuff going on. All right, I like that. And then let's do something to go on front of the envelope or the little pocket. I think I'm going to make this a mini pocket on the pocket. Which way is up? All right. I was looking at Facebook when I was eating my lunch, and people have already posted their makes with this make already. I'm like, wow, you guys are on it. Pretty awesome. I think we'll put the butterfly. Tuck this underneath. It's been a strange morning. I went to the school, my old classroom, because my friend who has been in my classroom this year, she's actually going to go do her internship. Still within the district, but she's all done in the classroom. So I'm collecting all of my teaching stuff, because who knows, I might end up going back after next year. So it's good to kind of keep it all, since I spent a lot of money collecting all those preschool things. But it's just weird just to kind of know that that's the end of the classroom and that room and all those memories. It's been kind of a interesting morning, but it's all good stuff. It's all good stuff. All right, let's see. We need a ticket now. Sorry, maybe I could pull these closer and see what I'm doing. Now I want a ticket to go here, but I kind of think I want something with some yellow. Maybe this one? Yeah, that one's good. Little ink, and you'll never know that I didn't cut it exactly correctly. There. All right. Does it need something? It could need something. Maybe bling? Does it need bling? I haven't done bling in a long time. If you're new and you're interested on how to get this this freebie, words again hard, you can go to my, sorry, I'm looking through my bling. Ooh, I have an idea. What about one of these words? You can go to my Facebook group, Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and you can get it from the downloads. These are fun. I don't know which one. I don't even know where these came from. Ooh, this one's good. This one says, learning to fly. Where to put it? I think I'll stick it up. Is it sticky? Seems like all the sticky is gone. With my butterfly, learning to fly. I think that works. There we go. Learning to fly is now covered. That's okay. All right, cute. Oh, I like this one too. I'm gonna put this little 175 down there. All right. I'm still looking. All right, focus, focus. There we go. There is my Friday freebie make. I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Head over to the group and you can find it in the files, and I will see you soon. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.